Oh, Samuel Chesley, to the New Jersey, Nade East Rodin would be from there. The going to Julia, that the tank Tambo, the Jagashim together. Chinzona, Laguna Serrana, Managing Neo, the New Jersey, Mama, Penasha. The
Good. Awesome. This is such a great event. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to see so many of you here. We'd like to start the day by bringing the children up to the stairs so they can recite the Pledge of Allegiance. You guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's hear it. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you so much. Good job, guys. I'm so happy and privileged to be here for a celebration of Tibetan history, culture, language, and all the things that go into making you guys a vital part of our community. What I'd like to do now is turn it over to Mayor Jeff LaHoulier so he can give his opening remarks and we can get this thing on the road. So thank you everybody so much for coming.
Thank you, Michael, and I'd like to give Michael a big hand because if it wasn't for Michael's efforts, this wouldn't be taking place. Let's give him another round of applause. Okay, there's a pecking order of government here, and we from the council, when we need support from the county, there are commissioners up aboard, our Bergen County commissioners, and we're lucky enough to have two of them here today. We have Tracy Zor here, and we have Steve Finelli here. Let's give them a round of applause. And I believe Commissioner Zor would like to say a couple of words to you. Tracy.
What a beautiful turnout this is. I am so excited to be here with you all. Steve and I are both so grateful to represent this amazing community. And what is so incredible is that this community, the Tibetan community, really strengthens us all. It is your vibrance, it is your commitment to education, to family, to what makes our community so great. It is our diversity that is our strength here in Bergen County. And in a county of almost 1 million people, we really are this tapestry beautifully woven together where we can support each other, learn from each other, and continue to grow and thrive. I am so grateful for all that you're doing to keep your culture and heritage alive and vibrant here in East Rutherford and in Bergen County. We look forward to celebrating days like this to come many, many times together. So thank thank you for having us and continue to celebrate your culture and heritage.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tracy. Okay. I'd like to welcome all the dignitaries that are here, the Seeds of Tibet President, Kunsang Dorji, I believe. Thank you. Also, their trustees, the residents, and the members of the governing body, thank you all. I'd like to introduce Councilman George Kronk, who is up here. We also have our Deputy Chief, Chief Berlinski. Let's give him a round of applause. We assembled here this morning to pay homage to the people of Tibet and their nonprofit organization, the Seeds of Tibet, a group dedicated to promoting their religious and cultural heritage. This morning, we'll be raising the Tibetan flag in appreciation for your contributions to our nation, and most importantly, your contributions to the Borough of East Rutherford. We will always stand behind you and your quest for your independence and autonomy. Your journey to our country started here in the early 60s with the passage of the Immigration Act of 1990. That act increased immigration to the United States in 1992. 1,000 Tibetans and their families migrated to the United States during that time. There are now approximately 400 living here in New Jersey, with significant numbers living here in Bergen County. Relocating to another country is an arduous task. Passing on your culture and your religion to second generations who are deeply immersed in our American culture must be a daunting task. I come from a large family myself, and I believe in the importance of family, as well as the need to pass on family traditions and customs to your future generations. I've been honored to witness your cultural celebrations and festivities firsthand. Your efforts to impart your culture, religion, and teachings onto your future generations should be applauded. Give yourself a big round of applause for that. The passing on of culture, religion, and tradition are paramount to its very, very survival. Seeds of Tibet is a very fitting name. Seeds are sown, they're cultivated, and they're nurtured in many, many ways. They could be carried by the wind, carried by the sea, or by the human spirit. We are honored, we're grateful and privileged to have you as members of our community and for choosing East Rutherford as your home. We would like to thank you for all that you do and all that you contribute as members of our communities. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you.
Okay, I have a proclamation I would like to read. Whereas the United States has long supported the Tibetan people, and whereas the Borough of East Rutherford also stands in solidarity with the Tibetan people and their just, peaceful, and nonviolent movement to remind the world of the occupation, suppression, and degradation of culture, religion, land, and identity of the Tibetan people by China. And whereas on Saturday, March 9th, 2024, community members will gather in East Rutherford to raise the Tibetan flag for a week to commemorate the Tibetan community in the Borough of East Rutherford. Now, therefore, be it resolved that I, Mayor Jeffrey J. LaHollier, and the council members of the Borough of East Rutherford do hereby declare March 9th, 2024 as Tibetan Flag Raising Day in the Borough of East Rutherford. Okay, at this point, I'm going to turn it back over to Council President LaRusso.
Okay, while the mayor and Khun Sang make their way over to the flagpole to get set up for the flag raising, I just want to call out and highlight some members of CISA Tibet. Khun Sang Dorji, President. Khun Chakayasto, Accountant. Sunam Tapagal, Trustee. Jamyang Chopal, Manager. Sunam Lenak, Cashier. Namgyal Dorji, Secretary. Tenzin Lazam, School Coordinator. Namgyal Yanzam, Event Coordinator. And Pima Dorji, Store in Charge.
Hello. Roga.
Okay, now during the raising of the flag, I understand that our guests here are going to sing the Tibet national anthem, followed by the American national anthem. So whenever you guys want to get that started, go ahead.
New Jersey ngade tanda East Rutherford ki chonde ki legun julia pe kega chumbe geda tenzu na simbo sa de bende de go jove de tu ke sambe no be na ba bende no se ja se jove ke so tebe choje samse yo namge gawai ya de ba la re so de shi na da ye che ka 다 카다에 왜 카다 영에 제다 Michael sit over there Michael 뭐가 다리 야부 중소 다 다리 야니 사말로 태돈 다라는 야 주지긴 한데 근데 게다 진주나기 제보디 주소 까미마소기 아주 미군기 레실이야 제다 피기 제다 야야니 사말로 투잖아 시시 시원남라 가우충 야야라서 이제